Thank you for coming back for another stimulus update. This is Sunday, so there's not really a whole lot to tell you, but I will say this. If you see other videos telling you all of this stimulus information today, just know they're regurgitating what they've already heard, because the Congress and the House is not in Washington right now working. So there's no new information. But I do have something I want to tell y'all about. Something that I think is pretty interesting, funny, sad, I don't know. I'm mixed on it. I'm kind of pissed off about it, to tell you the truth. I know these two ladies. They work full time. They hadn't got their hours cut. They didn't lose their job. They're not out anything on account of this pandemic. They've got the nerve. Well, first of all, I know they hate Donald Trump because they're always talking about it. But you know the type. But these two ladies started complaining today that little $1,200 that Trump sent us was just chump change. What can you do with $1,200? Now, like I said, they didn't lose their job. They didn't lose any hours. They're not out anything. So therefore, I believe they really shouldn't have even got $1,200. That $1,200 is meant to help people that needs help. Sure, everybody got it. I got it too. I don't know why I got it. I didn't lose anything. And I'm grateful for what I got. But going forward, I don't believe they should make any more stimulus checks. It's just getting our country deeper and deeper in debt, and cases like this, it's not appreciated anyway. Anytime you give anybody something, they've got their other hand out wanting more. They become dependent on you giving them stuff. Now, I know a lot of people that work paycheck to paycheck and they can't do it. But save a little bit every payday. Then when something like this happens, you're going to be self-funding yourself. You don't need any stimulus checks. Your savings account will be your stimulus. Or you can start an online business in your spare time and use that money as your stimulus package. But when somebody hands you $1,200 and you say something like that, it just shows how you was raised. That just shows how grateful you are and what kind of sorry human being you are. So be grateful if you got that $1,200, whether you deserved it, whether you needed it, whether you lost anything or not. Be grateful you got that. That's $1,200 more than what you had the day before you got it. It's up to you if you do right with it. I mean, yeah, you can go out and blow it on TV or braids for your hair or whatever, and it's going to be gone real fast. Or you could pay some bills with it, buy some groceries with it, pay your rent with it. It's totally up to you. And if you wasn't out anything, come on now. That's a windfall. Be grateful you got it. Say thank you, Mr. Donald Trump, my president. Y'all, I think Donald Trump is doing a fantastic job. I know he will be our president for the next 4 years, and I wish we could make it where he could be our president for the next 8 years. But it's in the Constitution, he can't do that. It would be nice. That's just my opinion. Y'all come back tomorrow and I will have another stimulus update. I may have some new information for you by then. And just know I love you all, and we're going to get out of this thing alive. Love you all. Ciao.